Welcome to the Oracle ARCS Data Integration Lab, built by BISP Trainings. This is the Command Center, your live overview of every connected source feeding Oracle ARCS. Let's look at the key numbers and charts at the top. These 6 cards show total sources, active connections, records processed, records loaded, failed records, and the overall success rate. Below, the bar chart shows records by source, and the line chart shows the 7-day load trend. The donut charts break down success versus failure, errors by type, and source volume. All figures here are illustrative training data. This is the source ecosystem screen. Each tile represents a real-world source system such as Oracle Fusion, SAP, Banks, NetSuite, and Workday. Clicking a tile opens its connection and mapping details. Watch as I click this source tile to open its detail panel. It shows typical data, connection method, mapping approach, validation, and load pattern. At the bottom of the detail panel is a button, Use in Configuration Wizard, which carries this source straight into the build process. This is the Configuration Wizard, the heart of the lab, where you build a complete integration step by step across 10 screens. First, source selection. I will click one of these source pills to choose a system. Selecting a source pill, like this one. Now I click Continue to move to connection configuration. Here you set the authentication concept and test the connection. Clicking Test Connection, notice the status dot turns green once connected. Continuing to target application. Continuing to location. Continuing to the import format builder, which maps source columns to target attributes. Clicking Validate Format to confirm every column is mapped correctly. Moving into dimension mapping, where source values like account codes translate into ARCS target members. Clicking Validate Mapping. Next is member mapping. I can add row for a new mapping or validate once done. Clicking Add Row to insert another source to target member mapping. Clicking Validate to confirm member mapping. Now period mapping, aligning source period labels to the ARCS calendar. Validating the period mapping. Category mapping is next, aligning scenario labels like actual. Validating the category mapping. Finally, the data load rule builder bundles everything: source, target, location, format, mappings, and schedule into one job. Clicking Save Load Rule to complete the wizard. This is the Validation Center, a pre-flight checklist covering format, mapping, member, period, category, amount, and required fields, run before any load executes. Clicking Run Full Validation, watch every check turn green as it passes. This is the Data Load Simulator. Clicking Run Data Load animates each pipeline stage, reading source, importing, mapping, validating, and loading. Clicking Run Data Load now, watch the progress bars fill for each stage. Once complete, the results show records processed, records loaded, rejected, and warnings with total duration. This is the Error Center. Clicking any category card expands its cause, a concrete example, where to check, and the resolution. Opening the connection error category to review its cause and resolution. Opening the format error category to review its cause and resolution. Opening the mapping error category to review its cause and resolution. Opening the member error category to review its cause and resolution. The integration monitor lists every job with its source, rule, start time, duration, records, status, and error count, the first place to check when a job fails overnight. Integration analytics gives deeper trend and distribution views, records by source, load trend, success rate, failure rate, processing duration, and top failing sources. The Drill Through Explorer lets you trace a summarized ARCS balance down to the originating transaction. I will click through each level. Drilling into ARCS balance. Drilling into source data. Drilling into source record. Drilling into transaction detail. The Scheduling Center shows recurring load rule schedules across daily, weekly, monthly, and period end frequencies, each with its next run, last run, and owner. The integration health score rolls up connection, mapping, validation, load, and schedule reliability into one composite score. In the business scenario, you apply everything to a realistic case, reconciling bank transactions against general ledger balances. I will confirm each step. Confirming, select the source. Confirming, configure the connection. Confirming, choose the target. Confirming, define the location. Confirming, build the import format. Confirming, map dimensions. Confirming, map the period. Confirming, map the category. Confirming, build the load rule. Confirming, run validation. Confirming, run the load. Confirming, monitor the result. The Error Scenario Lab applies troubleshooting to a realistic failure, 100 records failing because of an invalid member mapping. Selecting option A, mapping, the correct place to check for an invalid member mapping error. Practice mode uses flip cards. Click any card to reveal its answer before moving to the exam. Flipping this card to reveal the answer. Flipping this card to reveal the answer. Flipping this card to reveal the answer. Exam mode has 20 original questions covering the full Oracle ARCS data integration process. I will answer a few to show how scoring works. Selecting an answer for question 1. Moving to the next question. Selecting an answer for question 2. Moving to the next question. Selecting an answer for question 3. Moving to the next question. You can continue answering all 20 questions on your own. Once finished, your score appears right here. And finally, the final scorecard, a roll-up of your configuration, mapping, validation, load, troubleshooting, scenario, and exam performance into one overall score. That completes the full guided tour of the Oracle ARCS Data Integration Lab, every screen, every button, and every chart. Thank you for completing the Oracle ARCS Data Integration Lab. This simulator was brought to you by BISP Trainings. For structured, instructor-led Oracle and EPM training, visit bistrainings.com or call +91 769 409 5404. Keep learning, and we will see you in the next session.